Pertussis cases, better known as whooping cough, saw a major spike in 2024 with more than 30,000 cases nationwide. WFXR's Sam Graham brings us the latest case numbers for 2025 and spoke with a Virginia epidemiologist about how you can help slow the spread.
While the height of respiratory disease season is now behind us, cases of whooping cough across Virginia and the United States remain stable but elevated.
Actually, right around last year, this time, we saw a big spike in cases within the community.
There have already been more than 200 cases in Virginia and over 8,400 nationally so far this year. At this time in 2024, there were just 78 cases in Virginia and around 4,200 cases in the U.S. This year's elevated numbers are part of a spike that began last spring, when Virginia soared from 120 cases in 2023 to more than 700 in 2024. At the same time, cases jumped from around 7,000 to more than 34,000 nationally. Deese says it isn't uncommon to see a spike in cases every 3 to 5 years, but said this round could be related to the COVID-19 pandemic.
I think with a lot of what went on during the COVID pandemic, there was less diagnosis of pertussis, but possibly also a little bit less transmission.
He believes natural immunity was lowered over the past several years, making more people susceptible to contracting it now. And while things first began to spike during spring 2024, whooping cough isn't confined to one season or to one demographic.
We've been seeing it in all age groups, to be quite honest with you, from children on up to elderly folks.
Deese says getting vaccinated and receiving booster shots are the best way to protect against contracting the disease. But if you do get sick, it's best to stay home, seek medical attention, and get a diagnosis. Reporting in studio, I'm Sam Graham. Back to you.
It was a tough day for